Chapter 1. Going to School. Let us meet some children and see how they reach school. Assam Bamboo Bridge. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the others. We quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. Try this. Collect some bricks, lay them on the ground in a line as shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? Make a small bridge by tying 4 or 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on your bridge. How did you feel? Did you fall down? If you walk like this a few times, you will start finding it easy. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with shoes or slippers? Why? Comment this. Ladakh, the trolley. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood. Attached with the rope, 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. Let us do. Observe picture 1 and 2. In the pictures, children are pulling the buckets from the well. Can you tell the difference in both the pictures? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it to lift things? Comment this. 1, 2. Look around you. Where all do you see the use of pulleys? List them. With the help of a pulley, try and lift various things as shown in the picture. Do this and comment this. Cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridges. These are made of cement, bricks and iron rods. The bridge may also have steps. How is this bridge different from a bamboo bridge? How many people do you think can cross the bridge at one time? You have seen how children use different kind of bridges to cross rivers and other uneven areas to reach school. If you had a chance, which bridge would you like to use? Why? Do you have to cross any bridge on the way to your school? If yes, what is the bridge like? Draw its picture. Find out from your grandparents what kinds of bridges were there when they are young. Comment this. Is there any bridge near your house? Find out more about the bridge. Where is the bridge? Over water, over a road, between 2 mountains or somewhere else? Who all is the bridge? Is it used by people on foot and also by vehicles and animals? Does the bridge seem to be old or is it new? Find out what materials are used in making this bridge. List some of them. Draw a picture of the bridge in your notebook. Do not forget the draw the train, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. Imagine what difficulties there would be. If the bridge was not there, Let us find out some other ways by which children get to school. Do this and comment this. Kerala, Bhallam. In some parts of Kerala, we use a bhallam, small wooden boat, to reach school. Have you seen any other kinds of boat? Can you think of other ways by which we can travel on water? Comment this. Rajasthan, camel cart. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. Have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse carriage donga? Where did you climb on it yourself or did someone help you? How did you feel riding in the cart? Also share your experience in the class also. Comment this. Bullock cart. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields if it is too sunny or raining. We use our umbrellas. Village in the plains. For the teacher, how do animals feel when met to pull cart? Discuss issues to develop sensitivity towards animals. Do you have bullock carts where you live? Does it have a roof? What kinds of wheels do they have? Make a drawing of the cart in your notebook. Comment this. Bicycle ride. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now groups of 7 to 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. Can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? How many children come on bicycles to your school? Comment this. Jugar, what a vehicle! Look at our special transport. It sounds put when it runs. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. Gujarat. Do you have such vehicles in your area? What do you call them in your area? Would you like to ride in something like this? Why? Can you tell why it is called Jugar? The Jugar has been made by using waste material. Why don't you also try to make something by putting together some waste material? Can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Yes, there are such places. Comment this. Children cross the jungle. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. At some places, it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Have you ever been in a thick jungle or any such place? Write your experiences in your notebook. Can you recognize some birds by their sounds? Can you imitate the sounds of some birds? Do it. Comment this. Moving on the snow. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. Northern Hills. Have you ever seen so much snow? Where? In films or somewhere else? Comment this. Do you think that such places have snow all the time? Why? Comment this. Rocky paths. We live in the mountains. The paths are rocky and uneven. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on this, but we can easily race up and down. Uttarakhand. No matter whether there is a dense forest, farms, mountains, or snow on the way, we manage to reach school. Do you face difficulties on the way to your school? Which is the best month in which you like to go to school? Why? Comment this. See me walk. Go to a ground or an open space with your friends. Act the way you will walk in this situation. The ground is made of soft and smooth rose petals. The ground is covered with thorns and there is tall grass on the sides. The ground is covered with snow. Was there a difference in the way you walked each time? Discuss. Comment this. For the teacher, discuss different modes that children use to come to school. Help them identify the possible dangers and discuss the safety aspects. You may discuss with them environment-friendly ways of traveling. From children's pen. Failed in the test, 30 rulers. Fooled around in the test, 15 rulers. Homework not done, 8 rulers. Nails, teeth, dress not clean, 30 sit-ups. Having fun in class when teacher is out. Stand on one leg for 2 hours. Not back in class after the recesses. Stand on the bench with your hands up in the air for 1 hour. No punishment. Sagar Misra, class 5, Chaknak, August 2006, Devas, Madhya Pradesh. Talk and share about it. Do you also have punishment in your school? What kinds? Do you think that punishment should not be there in school? If you come across any such incident, whom will you inform? How will you make a complaint? Is punishment the only solution to misdeed? Make some rules for school to prevent misdeeds. Draw a picture of your dream school in your notebook and write about it and share in the class. Comment this. For the teacher. The purpose behind giving this column is to totally discourage punishments in schools. Discuss these issues sensitively in the class. Encourage the students for self-discipline.